Welcome back, everybody. This is Shadow Drone. This is a very short video just to kind of show you my progress that I'm making here with my laser situation. As you know, that this 40 watt laser requires a 24 volt power source and 40 watts to function properly. Unfortunately, this board laser output, which is a control board, will only put out 12 volts. Okay, so it won't power up. So what I've done is, I don't really want to go with another board, and even other boards that I've looked at in the Gerbil format only put out 12 volts max. Okay, so what I've done is I've come up with the control box here, which I've showed you earlier. And it's pretty much all put together and partially wired. I mean, it's completely wired. I just have to install it into the case and connect the board. I have two of these. This was this is one board that I ordered, and then I got another one exactly like this one when I ordered the kit, because the kit said it didn't come with a board, so but it ended up did. So anyway, I have a spare. So I'm using this as a tester board, so if I fry this, it's not a big deal. Okay. So the way the system is set up now, I've worked out the issues, okay? So this like here is a buck booster power module, okay? This allows me to bump the power incoming volts from 5 to 30 volts ingoing to 12 to 30 volts outgoing. Okay, so I can bump up a 12 volt system going into it. I can bump it up by setting the voltage and the wattage from this dial and the display. So I set the volts, push the button, and then I set the watts. So I can fine tune the laser. Once that happens, this module will output 24 volts straight to the laser. So this piece, this is the plug that goes into the laser, okay? There's an in and out on this module. The in is coming from the laser port of 12 volts, goes into the module, bumps it up to 24 volts, 40 watts, and pushes it out through this cable into the laser, and it works. Laser comes on, beautiful, okay? That part is wired. The main power supply, which is this, okay, I'm going to flip this up, and I'm going to flip this on. As you can see, the light came on, okay? So the main power supply here is wired, okay? That whole function here has been remedied. Now, this is the emergency cutoff switch, okay? You push on it, and it will shut off power to everything, okay? Or the laser. I haven't decided on what I'm going to do yet. I did buy this for the laser, so I'm going to probably wire that into the laser. So in case something goes wrong, I just push it, and it shuts off power. It's an emergency cutoff switch. It's a lot easier to hit this than to hit that. And not only that, but if I wire this to the laser only, then I can keep the main power on and just cut the laser, which is probably what I'm going to do. Anyway, so this is the system. It's a pretty easily wiring job. As you can look in there, it's just slightly, a little bit of a mess, but not too bad. And then I have one of those wire wrap, not wire wraps, what do they call those things? The tubing, wire tubing, and all these wires will be in one tubing that comes out here. And then I bought a connector right there, as you can see, for the OEM power supply to plug into. And then obviously I used some carbon fiber wrap to kind of make it look a little nicer. But anyway, I'm still waiting on a fan, which is supposed to be delivered today. Once that comes in, I'm going to mount the fan, and the fan is going to create a cross draft from this hole through the box and out this way, keeping this unit cool. Because anything over, I think they said 10 watts, 15 watts, is going to need a fan. So, and since this is going to be running at 40 watts, we're definitely going to need a fan. But yeah, so problem solved. If any other of you are running into this issue where you're having to get more power for a project, block voltage converter, worth the 15 bucks. They come in different styles, different designs. This is the one they had on on Amazon, and I didn't want to wait 2 weeks to get them. So I went ahead and ordered it there. So, it does the job. So anyway, once I get this all put in and set up, I'll do a final video on the laser cabinet, and it'll be complete at that point. All right, guys. Thanks for watching. Take care. Be safe. Shadow Drone out.